Alright guys, you're welcome to my channel. This is As a Graphics. You just joined me for the first time. Strongly recommend you subscribe to my channel. This looks kind of simple, but just stay tuned. Alright, so I'll be just playing with some tricks which you will learn from. So the first thing I'll be doing is create my background. Okay, I'll use this particular color for my background. Okay, let me just put off my internet connection. So this is what I'll be using for my, you erase whatever you have in here. Just come here, come to the plus icon, come to this pen tool, erase whatever you have in there. Now paste this number and the letter 2622E89. So a check mark is going to appear here. Click on it, make sure you click on it and click on OK. You'll notice this color is going to change to this particular color I'm having now. And OK. So the next thing is my text. Now the reason I'm using date because of this my Lionel Messi. Yeah, I want it to be capital letter like this. I just hope I got the spelling right. I found out that most times, yeah. Thank God I actually checked that because there are some Lionels that has to do with I, but Lionel Andres Messi, the footballer, is okay. So I'm just okay. So I'll just keep this like this. Then come here and reduce the size. Okay. Then change it to the font to one of my favorite Montserrat. Isn't one of my favorite, like it's my favorite font. So I just put this one here. Now if you know if you following my tutorials for sometimes you know I use Montserrat a lot, so I can just okay, so I can alright, so I can just so I'll just come here and just rotate, or I can easily come here and just rotate. Okay, let's leave it this, and if you notice we'll just change this, we give this a color. Yeah, this color is quite okay. Okay, so now let me look. It's been a while since I did this tutorial, so it's not something I did recently. So I just have to just vet if okay. So I'm just gonna leave this here and just lock this. So I'll come over here, bring in a different shape. Alright, so the color. Now if you okay, let me just let you on something. The colors I use for my background and my image, I just got them from the players. I got it from his shirt. Now this is then okay, let's just say this is the blue, but I just went on with this one. Anyway, I think I can just kind of use this color for the text. Okay, so I'll just leave this one here, position it here. Now it's quite simple. See, I'm already done with the tutorial. So for this image, I'm just going to position this one at the back of this. Now let me just look this back as for a reference. Alright, so I'll leave this one, that one there should be behind the name. So I'll just, all I'm going to do is copy it. Okay, now this particular shape, I'm going to copy it too. Okay, so I'm just going to use the saturation. This is the brightness. Okay, so I'll leave that there. Then I'm just going to merge the two of them together. Okay, so then I'm not going to come here and with this saturation a bit. Then I could just now there's a mistake, so I'll just come in before I desaturate it. Whenever you're designing, just be careful of this. Yeah. Okay, so I'm now gonna do that image. Also come here and reduce saturation. Okay. Now you can see the picture on the background is actually of no use. It's now of no use. I just rendered it useless. Okay, so I'm just gonna put this here. Now the image has been well worked on, so there's no need of me playing with it again. So the next thing I'll be doing is just bringing the shape. Okay, let me just take this thing back. Sorry, I have everything I need here. I'm just going there again by mistake. Okay, now I think there was El Clasico today. I know Barcelona is gonna win anyway. This current Madrid team has not been to the tax. Okay, alright, so I'm gonna bring in my text. This time, let's make it this. Okay, just gonna make it like this, and the same font, Montserrat, extra bold, and should be center aligned. Okay, I can just reduce the size in this. Okay, so I can just borrow this Oh man, like seriously need to change my keyboard to the one I was using before. Change the color to black. No, I'm just thinking, should I have some cool, like really cool sport flyers that I did jokingly last year. Ex Barcelona captain. Alright, so now for this particular one, we're gonna make use of regular. Yeah, we'll use this. Alright, so I'm done. I thought it's quite simple, so I'll just save this. Alright, now it's your choice if you still want to enhance this, but it's practically of no use. We'll just come here to Snapseed. Alright, some people actually asked me how I do enhance my image. Funny enough, okay, let's try into it. I told them, okay, all I just know is I know I used to use Snapseed. Now it's if this is your choice, you can just come here and see it's not looking bad. Let's try pop. Now, if you notice, whenever you watch my tutorials, I only make use of those two effects. Okay, no, let me just try something. No, the structure is too much because of the face. Okay, let me come here and no, let's just come here and just give it a send to it. Okay, now I've added a bit of an effect on it before. I'm still going to add to it again. Alright, so I'll just go with this one like this, and I'll just save. Alright, so that's now you know what I'm still looking at this design. We're looking at the image, this one. Let's see if we can just bring it. It's not looking okay there. It's not looking okay there. I was just thinking of getting rid of it completely, but it's still good since it's still reflecting. Okay, now that's everything I have for you in this particular tutorial. See you in the next video.